Okay, this is a double fronted, beautiful looking log stove, log burner, whatever you want to call them, and we've got to try and measure the distance of the flue and the stove pipe. We've got this on just temporarily fitted, which is a stove pipe slides into that, then it'll be bolted. But the idea is now we've got to get the measurement of this pipe, which I'll show you now. So this pipe goes over the flue, comes down through the hole in the chimney, and then this part, this body, we've got to measure the right distance to fit on top of the stove there. We're no experts, but we're having a go. So I'm going to show you. We're connecting to that, and we've got to get the right distance between that coming down to the top of this, and then to fit in to the adapter at the top of the log burner, and that's where we are at the moment. And probably someone says, oh, you do it? Well, we don't know, it's all been done. That's been done properly by a proper chimney sweep or whatever. It's been put down and fitted at the top, so we know that's good. So right, that's where we're up to. Right, so what you got your end? 32?
22.
22, and I got 28. Oh, there's quite a difference, isn't there? 28 from there. This is to cut a hole in the register plate underneath to stop the crap from coming out and hitting and making a mess.
He can't go any more that way.
You can't?
No.
So all you got to do then...
Oh, yes he can.
Oh, okay.
What you got now?
I've still got 28. 27 now.
I'll have 23 then. Between there and there, at the top of the log burner, it's going to travel 4 centimetres your way, which is quite a lot. That's it.
I think it'll be fine.
There, basically.
Yep.
To 25, which is, from my eye... What's the best way of doing this?
You need a piece of wood.
Yeah.
And then measure.
Behind you there.
Alright, so we got the measurement round about 25 centimetres from the top of the plate. Well, the plate is all. What's the plate called? Registered plate. So we've got 25 mil from the top of that. Hopefully we'll show you if it fits. First tool, jigsaw. You found the easiest, didn't you?
Yeah, with the Bosch bit.
Yeah, so if our calculations are right, we've done a dry fit with the stovepipe coming here. That top bit then connects to the flue coming down, stainless steel flue. So we've dry fitted that to the flue, supported it, measured then the distance between the top of the log burner there to the top where the plate's going to fit, register plate, and then measure the distance between that and where that stove, that little adapter there. So we put that to the edge, we measure the inside lip so we know where that bit there is going to fit inside that bit there.
What's that stuff?
Heat, what is it? Heat glue. Heat sealant. Yeah.
Which is
high temperature. I can't show you exactly what, but he's going to put it onto the... That goes straight on. Yeah, it did. Look at the face of concentration. Ooh, he's such a strong boy. How's that? Okay.
No.
Me and you were quite big.
What?
Okay, whatever. Which way?
Right. So can you hold just there?
I got it.
So we're going to go on the other side now?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now the fun starts. Go for it. It's not going to get messed up, is it?
Keep going. You.
Come on. A lot more. We're in?
Okay.
Why is it not going in? Is it in yours?
It's in.
We in?
Yeah,
Okay. All right, here.
we're in.
Yay!
Well, we're not quite in. We've got to... Right, do you want to yank it from your side, Dad?
It's underneath that leg. Let me hear a piece of wood.
What's that? You in? Done?
Done.
Ta-da! You can celebrate now.
Thank God.
Yay! This is the other side. It's a double-sided one.
Oh yeah, the tiles. That's what I'm talking about. Tiles. That's been and gone. You can't still get.